Nice day to lay on a beach and soak up some sun, get some vitamin D. But I wonder what the temperature of the lake is like. Well, there's only one way to find out, isn't there? Well, it's warmer than I thought. I think it's body temperature.
All right, our first jumpers for the see, just look at the faces when they come up. They're like, wow, almost as if they're surprised. The look on the face again.
Excellent form and no pig squeal. That's disappointing.
Realistic.
All right, boys.
All right, well done. You got it. Good job. I think our youngest plunger this year. Good job. Good job. Well done. Awesome.
I must say that I am here. I'm a baby cucumber. It's so emotional. I'm a baby cucumber, and I'm here to grow up. There weren't any empty pickle jars at Walmart, so I had to come here.
Yeah!
Turn into a pickle this year.
Preach!
All right.
Pickle.
Preach, little
I guess
man!
that makes you kind of a big deal.
I'm gonna be a pickle.
Okay, Hunter, you got this. Yay! Nice. Just like the sauna, right, Neil? This kid. Are these kids bullying you to jump? All right, good job, everybody. Look at that.
Just a quick one. Just a minute. Just a quick one. That's a beautiful job, fellas. Great job. Say, Liz, did you know why the teacher jumped in the lake?
Why?
Because he wanted to test the water. Have fun.
That's right.
Yeah.
Get in and get it over with.
Sorry.
All right.
Excellent form, ladies. Excellent.
Yay, Street.
There we go.
Yeah. Yay. All right, Mr. Iverson.
Go, we're off.
Feet first. Feet first.
Woo! All right.
Another successful jump.
Tonight, if you're not doing anything, well, there he goes.
Oh, they did a good job on that.
Oh, don't forget your hat, matey. Give it up for the volunteers today. Thank you
EMS.
so much. These people just standing in the water for a very long time. Thank you so much for everything you do. Thanks to everybody.
Big thank you to y'all and all who sponsored all the jumpers. We couldn't do it without you. The Rec Center gives you their gratitude and thanks. And here's to wrapping up the 2024 Polar Plunge.
Good job, everybody. Woohoo!
Come on up here, Polar Bear.
Today is a good day for a beach day? Does today look like a good day for a beach day?
Yeah, I was just gonna lay out over there.
What are you doing on this beach day?
Oh, it's such a gorgeous day. I was thinking about setting up my
Beach blanket right there?
blanket.
I see some Bayfield School students here. What are you doing on this beach day?